Hi, everyone. I'm Pamela Hood. I'm the lead PM for SQL Server and Azure Virtual Machines. And today we'd like to talk to you about our DPS 2020 pre-con workshop on running SQL Server and Azure VMs. And I'd like to introduce you to my team. Here's everybody. And well, not everybody, but here's everybody in the workshop. We got lots more people here at Microsoft working for you to make SQL Server on Azure Virtual Machines an awesome experience. And we would love to talk to you about it at DPS 2020. So I'm gonna hand it off over here to my colleague, Aditya.
Hey, hi everybody. Thanks, Pam. Thanks for introducing. My name is Aditya, and yes, we would love to talk to you on Azure SQL Virtual Machines. And one of the main reasons someone will have to run SQL Server in Azure Virtual Machines is the way we are investing ourselves to make all the management tasks easier through control plane. So that's like that we would want to talk about, like how are we making your life easier through licensing, through automation of backups, security, everything. So it is going to be exciting, and I'm going to hand over to my colleague David, and he would let you know about the performance and sizing. David?
Yep. Hey, everybody, this is David Plus. Yeah, I'm really excited about this workshop. It's going to be great. We'll definitely talk about some performance options. We're going to demystify virtual machine sizing because it can be complicated to look at. We'll talk about like the methods that you're going to use around CPU, memory, IOPS, and throughput. And we're really going to focus on IOPS and throughput and how to get that right and easy. Right, we're going to make it easy but right, and we're definitely going to talk about the caching options and the easiest way to do that in the portal. Tejas, take it away.
Yep. Okay, so my name is Tejas. I'm program manager for SQL Server Product Group, and I'm going to talk about SQL Server on Linux. By the way, did you know that SQL Server is available on Linux as a platform, and you can quickly deploy these images in Azure Virtual Machines, and you can tune them to perform extremely well and scale well to high-end machines or high-end workloads. And we are going to even talk about high availability. And for that, I'm going to introduce my colleague Amit. Hey, Amit.
Hey guys, thank you for the introduction. So I'm the last one here. So can I take all the time here for the introduction?
Yeah, go for it.
Go.
All right. My name is Amit Khandelwal. I'm also working with this team on SQL Server, and it's fun. Like you can see, we are having fun right now. So Tejas, what did you want me to talk about? HADR, is it? Or something else?
Whatever else you want to talk about. I
right.
thought
not rum raisin ice cream. Don't talk about rum raisin ice
No.
Ice cream.
So this is how our class is going to be. We're going to talk about a lot of stuff, but we're going to talk about it in a fun way. So we are definitely going to talk about HADR, how you can get that with Azure, and how you can get that for hybrid environments. Now, when we talk about HADR, we are not going to segregate between SQL on Linux or SQL Server on Windows or SQL Server on VM. We're just going to talk about how you can have a hybrid configuration of HADR going and how you can set it up for your production environment. And we are very serious for that. And we will see what options you have, and we are also going to show you some cool, super cool demos on all of those. Anything else, guys, you want me to talk about, or is this it? Rum and raisin ice creams, or
No rum raisins.
No rum raisin
of this video.
No nuts?
All right. Thanks, everybody, and we're really looking forward to seeing you at DPS 2020.
Yay, DPS 2020. Bye. Oh, that was good.
That was awesome.